So this proposal is called Easy Onboarding of ADA Holders to Stakepool Operators. And again, this is using the Andamio platform to create courses that would onboard ADA holders and incentivize them to stake their ADA. Right now, I think someone just tweeted a while ago to Charles that staking was lower than before. He was at like at 75%. Now it's at 60-something%. I haven't really checked it lately, but it was around that number. Which means that not everyone is staking their ADA. And in a model like Cardano, everyone should be staking their ADA. There are clear rewards. It's non-custodial. So the reason why a lot of people don't stake their ADA is because they don't understand it, or they're afraid that they're going to lose it, that it's going to be locked. The information is hard to find and sometimes hard to understand. So what we want to do is create this onboarding process again. This is all pretty much directed to onboarding, which would make it easier to new ADA holders or existing ADA holders that are not staking the ADA to create that. We would also create incentives for SPOs so they can get their name out there to get a little bit more recognition. We know that there are a lot of good initiatives like the One Pool Alliance, for example, and there are other SPOs that are more purpose-driven, mission-driven. So we would like to create those different we would like to create more engagement with the SPO community for them to be able to onboard different ADA holders, create those links and relationships between ADA holders and SPOs, and get more awareness of what different SPOs do, what is the role of an SPO, why it is important to delegate your ADA. Again, with the same mechanism, right? You would go through the onboarding course. You could get rewards. You could get stake pools engaged and sort of offer incentives for people to either go through a course or just delegate their ADA. It's just creating channels, creating pipelines for those opportunities to happen. This is 141,000 ADA proposal. It's 4 months of work. And the main cost driver in this one is front-end development, just because we would need to create the instance of Andamio. We would need to design some front-end to be able to onboard contributors. And I believe that is my 6 proposals. This is the team that is Andamio. Most of you probably know a bunch of them. Hongjing is Jingles. I couldn't fit the AKA, but he goes by Jingles. And this is a diverse group of professionals. We've been working on this for the last 6 months, bootstrapping Andamio pretty much on our own time with our own resources. And yeah, we're hoping to take this platform and put it out there for the Cardano community in general for its use as an open source tool that anyone can just create their own instance and use it as a decentralized platform. And these are our links for different channels. In our website, you can find all our proposals. These are not all of them. There's just not a few, but there are more proposals. And there's also a link tree. And I'll put in the chat the rest of the information so you can look at each proposal that I talked about in Lidonation and Cardano and IdeaScale. And if you want any more information, there's going to be also my contact information in case you have any doubts that I didn't get to here.